I am feeling so focused today. The hard work is really paying off. Nothing can stop me now.
Everyone says you can't build muscle and lose fat at the same time.
Pick one, they say. Bulk or cut, they say. Cool story, it's wrong. For probably 80% of people watching this, the actual fastest way.
Give me 8 minutes, and I'll show you the actual fastest way to do both, without starving yourself or living in the gym. Let's get started today.
You must bulk now! No, cut first! More calories are needed! You are just wasting time!
Focus on clarity instead.
For decades, fitness bros have sold you this idea. You bulk to build muscle. Then you cut to lose the fat. Rinse, repeat, cry a little.
But that rule was built for advanced lifters who are already lean and already strong.
If that's not you, if you're new to lifting, coming back after a break, or carrying extra fat, you are the exact person who can do both at once.
It's called body recomposition, and it's not some hack. It's just how a beginner's body responds to the right stimulus. The less trained you are, the more your body can do both jobs at once. That window doesn't last forever, so let's not waste it.
Rule number 1, the only non-negotiable, progressive overload. Your muscles don't grow because you worked out. They grow because they are forced to adapt. They grow because you gave them a reason to.
A rep or two more.
A little more weight.
A little more control than last time.
A rep or two more. A little more control than last time.
No progression, no growth. Doesn't matter what diet you're on.
You don't need a fancy program. You need to track your lifts and beat last week, even by a little. Consistent small increases build muscle growth and strength.
Even by a little. That's it. That's the muscle building half of this whole video.
Protein is the boring answer, but it's always right. Sorry, Kale. It builds muscle fibers. Stick with the champions.
Here's the least exciting, most important sentence in this video.
Eat about 0.7 to 1 gram of protein per pound of your goal body weight every day. That's it. Protein is what actually gets used to repair and build the muscle you just broke down in the gym.
Skip this step, and all that lifting is just expensive cardio.
Keep building! We're out of protein! We did it!
You don't need 15 supplements. You need enough protein, consistently, and a bit of patience.
Wow! Has a Kelty 1000 out.
For fat loss, you need a small calorie deficit, not a starvation deficit, a small one. Think 300 to 500 calories below what your body burns in a day.
Go bigger than that while you're trying to build muscle too, and you'll just end up losing muscle along with the fat.
Slow and steady isn't a consolation prize here. It's literally the mechanism that lets you build while you lose.
There are 2 paths to weight loss. Crash diets cause your muscles to shrink, but a moderate deficit preserves them. You will lose fat and feel much stronger. Soft, slow progress is always the real rule.
And no, fasted cardio, meal timing, eating after 8 p.m., none of that moves the needle nearly as much as your total calories and your total protein across the whole day. Listen, You don't need to live in the gym. Overtraining leads to burnout. 7 days a week causes injury. Train smarter like Jay. 3 to 4 sessions are enough. Get glowing gains with recovery.
3 to 4 full body or upper/lower split sessions a week.
Focused on compound lifts. Squats, presses, rows, deadlifts, pull-ups. Beats 7 days of random machine hopping every single time.
More is not better here. Better is better.
Keep it simple with this basic routine. Upper body on Monday and Thursday, lower body on Tuesday and Friday, rest on Wednesday.
Add 20 to 30 minutes of walking or light cardio most days. Not to burn extra calories, but because it helps recovery and makes your deficit easier to stick to without feeling starving. Muscle isn't built in the gym. It's built while you sleep and recover.
Under 7 hours a night, consistently, and you're capping your own results no matter how perfect your training and diet are.
This is the free gains everyone skips because it's not exciting enough to post about.
Just ate my gains, time for sleep. Another insane lift, smash that like button.
So here's the fastest, smartest way to build muscle and lose fat at the same time. Progressive overload in the gym. Enough protein every day. A small, not brutal, calorie deficit. 3 to 4 solid training days and actual sleep. That's the whole formula. No detox teas, no fasted cardio, no 7-day gym schedule required.
If this saved you from another 6 months of doing the wrong thing, subscribe now.
I'm JayMartian, and every video on this channel is going to be exactly like this. Fast, funny, and actually true. See you in the next one.